Here I have VIVO Y21L, and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by opening the phone's dialer, and let's use this secret code *## 4838 #*#. As you can see, the testing menu just pops up. Here you can tap phone information and read the phone number, current network, signal strength and other stuff. You can also here select more key to select radio band, view SIM address book or get PDP. You can also tap here battery information and read the battery status, power plug and other stuff. You can also open user statistics and read the last time used and usage time. Alright, so let's also tap here Wi-Fi information. Here you can select Wi-Fi API, Wi-Fi config and Wi-Fi status. For example, in Wi-Fi API you can disable network, disconnect network, enable network or get connection info. Let's go back and quit this testing menu. Now let me show you how to enter the Google Play service. So let's use *## 426 *** and Play services just pops up right here. Let's go back, and at the end let me show you how to open debug UI. So let's use *## 759 *** and debug UI just pops up. Here you can view client IDs or change OEM mode. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.